Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. I think you are all doing well, and I hope that you have completed the last class portions clearly. Children, in the last class, what we have studied? Yes, we have studied what is soil, formation of soil, and what does soil contains, right? Yes. In today's class, we will continue the chapter soil and learn about soil contains water. Let's move on to soil contains water. Children, soil also contains water. How can we prove it that soil contains water? By doing an activity. Take a vessel, put some soil in it. Cover it with a lid. Ask an adult to heat the tin on a low flame. After some time, you can see drops of water on the inner side of the lid. This shows the soil contains water. Why do you think this water came from? The water in the soil forms vapor when heated. The vapor touches the lid and cools down to form droplets of water. Next is soil contains air. Now, how can we prove it that soil contains air? By doing an activity. Okay? So for that, put some dry soil in a jar. Pour a glass of water over it. What do you see? You will see some air bubbles. Inside the bubbles are formed when the air trapped in the soil comes to the water surface. This shows that soil contains air. Next, uses of soil. Plants require soil to grow. Different types of crops need different types of soil for their growth. Farmers add manure to the soil. Manure is made up of cow dung and decaying plants and leaves. It helps to make the soil fertile. Crops grow well in fertile soil. Without soil, plants would have no place to grow. Plants are eaten as food by humans and animals. Soil is home to many animals like earthworms, ants, beetles, millipedes, centipedes, etc. Children, why are earthworms called friends of the farmers? Earthworms turn the soil upside down and allow the air to move in. This makes the soil fertile, airy, and good for crops. That is why earthworms are called friends of farmers. Children, take page number 43. Soil contains water. When some garden soil is heated in a container covered with a lid, drops of water are noticed on the inside of the lid. This shows that soil contains water. The water in the soil forms vapor when heated. The vapor touches the lid and cools down to form droplets of water. Soil contains air. When water is poured over soil kept in a jar, air bubbles start forming. This shows that soil contains air trapped between its particles. When water is poured, this air escapes in the form of bubbles. Uses of soil. Some uses of soil are as follows. Plants need soil to grow. They take in water and nutrients from the soil. Farmers grow crops in the soil. They make the soil fertile by adding manure. Crops grow well in fertile soil. Without soil, plants would have no place to grow. Plants are eaten as food by humans and animals. Fact 5. Earthworms are called farmers' friends. Underline the word earthworms are called farmers' friend. Earthworms dig tunnels in the soil and live in them. While doing this, they turn and loosen the soil. What is the meaning of manure? Manure means animal waste that are mixed with the soil to help plants grow well. Next page. Soil is home to many animals. Earthworms, beetles, ants and snails are some animals that live in soil. Children, take page number 44. Let's do the book exercise. Objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question number 1. Dash provides water and nutrients to the plants. Soil or air? Answer soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Second question. Soil is formed by the breakdown of dust. Rocks or plants? Answer rocks. R-O-C-K-S, rocks. Third question. The color of soil dash from place to place. Remains the same or differs? Answer differs. D-I-F-F-E-R-S, differs. Question number 4. The dash in the soil. The water or air? Water. The water in the soil turns into dash. Water or vapor? Vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R. Vapor when heated. The water in the soil turns into vapor when heated. Fifth question. When water is poured over soil kept in a jar, dash bubbles start forming. Air or water? Answer air. A-I-R, air. Take page number 45. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which of these two plants need to grow? Air and water, light, soil. All of this. Answer all of these. Question number 2. Which of these helps rocks to break down? Sun's heat, rain, wind, all of these. Answer all of these. Third one. Which of these does soil contain? Humus, sand and clay, pebbles. All of these. Answer all of these. Fourth one. Which of these is not true about humus? It is formed from dead remains of only animals. It makes soil fertile. It gives nutrients to the plants. It holds the water. Answer. It is formed from dead remains of only animals. Fifth question. Which of these animals live in soil? Earthworms and beetles, ants and termites, owls and parrots. D. Both A and B. Answer. Earthworms and beetles, ants and termites. Both A and B. D option, both A and B. Sixth one. Which of these is the grainy part of soil? Clay, sand, humus, pebbles. Answer. Sand. Seventh one. How long does it take to form a small amount of soil? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, thousands of years. Answer. Thousands of years. Question number 8. Which of these animals do not live in soil? Beetles, snails, fish, ants. Answer. Fish. Next, match the following. Roots, fixes plants to the soil. Second one, soil, earthworms and leeches. Humus, dead remains of plants and animals. Clay, very fine pieces of rock. Manure, fertile soil. Short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. Question number 1. The top layer of the earth where plants grow. Answer, soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Second question. Part of soil that is made up of dead remains of plants and animals. Answer, humus. H-U-M-U-S, humus. Third one. Crops grow well in this type of soil. Fertile soil. F-E-R-T-I-L-E, fertile soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Fourth one. Things added by farmers to make soil fertile. Manure. Answer, manure. M-A-N-U-R-E, manure. Write 2 examples for each of the following. Question number 1. Soil provides these 2 plants. Water, nutrients. W-A-T-E-R, water, nutrients. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients. Page number 46. Question number 2. Colors of soil. Red, black. R-E-D, red. B-L-A-C-K, black. Question number 3. Things that soil contains. Humus, sand. H-U-M-U-S, humus, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Question number 4. Animals that live in soil. Earthworms, ants. E-A-R-T-H, earthworms. W-O-R-M-S, worms. Ants, A-N-T-S, ants. Children, take your science booklet. Lesson 4, soil. In the last class, we have completed 3 questions, right? Yes. Now, you write the remaining questions, okay? Question number 4. What happens when we heat some garden soil in a covered container? When garden soil is heated in a container covered with a lid, drops of water are noticed on the inside of the lid. This shows that soil contains water. The water in the soil forms vapor when heated, which touches the lid and then cools down to form droplets of water. Question number 5. Give any 2 uses of soil. First point, plants need soil to grow. Second point, soil is home to many animals like earthworms, beetles, ants and snails.